Hello and hi to my YouTube channel Aptitude Math Learner with a new interesting question. And the question today we are having that is the number that must be added to each of the number 8, 13 and 31 to make the ratio of first two number equal to the ratio of last two number. So here the required number we don't know, so we take let the added number be, that is x. So this is the required number that must be added to these four number, and the number we are having that is 8, 21, 13 and 31. So these are the numbers. So here in the question it says that to make the ratio of first two number, so the first two number we are having that is 8 and 21. So here this is 8 and this is 21. So this is the ratio of the first two number, and in the question it says the number that must be added to each of the number. So the required number, the number which we have to add, we have just taken, that is x. So here we add x to both the number, and in the next part it says that the ratio of first two number equal, so this is equal to the ratio of last two number, and the last two number we are having that is 13 and 31. So this is 13 and 31, and we also add x because it says that let the number be added to each of these number. It means that from these all four number we have to add the number which we have to find out. And what is the number? So let's try to solve it out. So this becomes, so here we cross multiply it, and this becomes that is, so this is 8 plus x, 8 plus x, cross multiplying it, so 31 plus x. So this has been cross multiplied is equal to, and above 13 plus x, and this goes and multiply by the above 21 plus x. So now we have to find out this x. So this becomes that is 8 multiplied by 31, that is 248 plus, and 8 by x that is 8x plus, and x by 31 that is 31x plus x by x that is x square is equal to, and here the same procedure we have to do. So 13 multiplied by 21 we get here that is 273, and 13 by x that is plus 13x, and now x by 21 plus 21x, and x by x that is x square. So this x square and this x square cancels out with each other. And now further solving, so this becomes that is 248 plus 8x plus 31 that is 39x is equal to, so this is 273 plus, and 13 by 21 we get here that is 34x, and now this is x and this is x, so 248 and this 273 goes this side and becomes that is minus 273 is equal to, so this is 34x, and here 39x, so this goes this side becomes minus 39x. So 248 minus 273 becomes that is minus 25 is equal to, and 34 minus 39 is minus 5x. So minus minus cancels out with each other, and x is equal to 25 divided by 5. So 5 ones are and 5 fives are, that is 25. So here we have got the value of x, that is 5, and this is the number which we have found, and this is our answer. I hope you have completely understood. So thank you very much.